Most people get frustrated with DJI Mic 2 settings because they assume language changes automatically, but the surprising truth is you need to adjust it manually, and it's easier than you think. Today, they'll show you exactly how to change the language. Step 1. Turn on your DJI Mic 2 transmitter and receiver. Make sure both devices are powered and paired so changes apply correctly. Step 2. Access the settings menu on the receiver. Press and hold the menu button until the screen shows the main settings interface. Most people get this wrong by trying to change language on the transmitter. It only updates via the receiver. Step 3. Scroll through the settings using the navigation buttons until you see the language option. Press the select button to enter the language menu. Step 4. Choose your preferred language from the list. Options usually include English, Spanish, French, German, and a few others depending on firmware. Confirm your selection by pressing the select button again. Step 5. Exit the menu. Your DJI Mic 2 will now display all settings in the chosen language, and this change will persist across power cycles. Most people overlook this final step and assume the change didn't apply, causing unnecessary frustration. In conclusion, changing the language on your DJI Mic 2 is quick and straightforward once you know to do it through the receiver. Most users get this wrong by looking in the wrong place, but now you'll never struggle again. Subscribe for more practical DJI tips and tutorials to make your gear work exactly the way you want.